Hello everybody, it is Sunday and it is this guy's birthday.
That's right.
I don't know what we're doing today. I've asked him for over a week, what do you want to do on your birthday? I am going to make a skillet cookie later today, so hopefully I'll be able to show you guys what my skillet cookie looks like. But we're headed to Ace and then we're going to go get some breakfast, kind of like a normal Sunday. So nothing too special planned today. Tim might mow. You want to mow?
If I can get the laundry back running.
So I don't know. I'm trying to kind of get him to go to Magic Kingdom to go ride the Liberty Bell one last time.
You're not gonna kind of try to get me to do that. I promise you that.
So anyways, we'll see. I'll let y'all know. You'll know by the end of the video if we're at the Magic Kingdom. We're headed into the Ace Hardware here in Groveland, and we got to go get some lawnmower, just lawnmower parts to.
And weed eater parts.
And weed eater parts, he just said. You need a new grill?
What man doesn't need a new grill?
Okay. This is more your speed. Oh, look, there's like bullhorns on it. Oh, that's fancy. That's a nice turkey in your... I thought we were here for lawnmower and weed whacker parts.
We are?
Okay.
It's my birthday, quit.
All right, you ready for your first card?
Yep.
I have like 3.
Okay.
Here you go. I'll show the... There you go. It says cake. No thanks, I'm stuffed.
Okay.
What does the inside say?
Hope you get your fill of birthday fun.
Aw, okay. Alright, so this one is, it's of a little girl, but this is how I imagine you as a child. Like a kid.
Oreos, double stuffed. Yep, that was me.
And what does it say?
Hope your birthday is double stuffed with fun. That would be the perfect
Card, if it was like a little redheaded boy.
fun fact. I wasn't redheaded.
You're blonde-headed boy. Okay.
I did have hair.
And then this is my last one. So if you know the relationship between these two objects, you're old. Let's see if he knows.
Yeah, so you rewind the tape.
All right, what's the inside say?
Not old though.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. All right, we're done with cards. Let's see if he can make it through this aisle. He usually cannot make it through this aisle without... What did you forget?
The fuel filter.
Oh. I was saying that this is your favorite section of the store.
This
and
is where I buy my soap from.
Oh, this is your Sasquatch soap? So,
Typically go with the pine tar.
do you feel like you can ever make it through here without, like, taking a gander?
No. That's why they do this for me.
How for you?
This is like your emporium.
Oh, yeah. Is it right here? Okay, we were driving down the road and we were headed to go get something for breakfast, but we found this place. It's called the Butcher Block Kitchen. So we're gonna go try it out.
That's what we're gonna do.
This is what Tim has picked for his birthday. Okay, we have chosen to get the Belly Buster. I don't know. And I think I'm gonna get a side of some fried green tomatoes. That looks like a lot for you to eat.
That's why we're sharing it.
We're all done. So let's rate our food. We got some sort of chicken tender, egg, gravy, biscuit kind of thing. What'd you think?
I thought it was good.
It was good. That whole thing was good. I had some fried green tomatoes. They were good. And the home fries were okay. The grits were just like okay to me. Like nothing special. Would you come
But
back?
you never really like grits all that much. Not like those kind of grits. You like cheese grits.
I do like cheese grits, and I like grits from Disney. Would you go back there?
Yes.
Okay. We'd go back. How excited are you right now for your birthday? We're at Costco. How exciting is this?
Oh, baby, I couldn't think of anything better.
I knew it. Okay, so what would be better than this? What did you say?
Oh, riding a Liberty Bell
That's what I thought.
all day.
We're getting closer to it. Like breakfast got us a little closer. Costco got us a little closer.
Oh, you want me to drive in the opposite direction? I can do that too.
Liberty Bell, Liberty Bell.
Go on now, quit aggravating.
Oh, do they have pickleball stuff?
I know, but
What, you're now a golfer and you need a travel cover?
maybe.
Oh, I thought there might be pickleball stuff over here. We are all done at Costco. How do you think we did?
I think we got out of there pretty cheap this week.
We did. Did you find everything you needed?
Everything I needed?
Yeah.
No,
Everything you wanted?
definitely not.
Okay. Where are we going next?
Target, my favorite.
Not the Liberty Bell?
Oh, baby, we're getting ever closer. You just don't worry about that, all right?
Okay. I'm over here making birthday dreams come true.
Oh, are you?
Yep.
I don't think Target's where it's at.
So you're saying the Liberty Bell?
Yeah, I was wanting to do that tomorrow, though.
Tomorrow. Okay. Okay, we made it out of Target. I feel like we went in there, we got stuff for dinner. What'd you pick for dinner? Pork chops?
Mm-hmm.
And we got green beans and some things that we just needed for the week. We spent more in Target than we did in Costco. Tim was spending. We've made it home. And guess what? Tim's hungry. And we didn't get anything.
I'm not hungry yet.
He's hungry. So
I'll take a nap and then I'll be hungry.
So it's going to be a birthday nap for us. So he doesn't complain that he's hungry. You ready?
I've been waiting on you.
Okay, let's do this. The day has taken a turn. We are out and about. Tim has picked a Waterfront Grill. It's called Lake Eustis Waterfront Grill. And it's about 4 o'clock and he's hungry and he doesn't want to wait. So we're here eating. I'll let you know how it goes. Here we are. So this is what the menu looks like. I don't know, Chase just pointed out that there was a special out front and that it was coconut shrimp in a basket, and that sounds right up my alley. But they do have these baskets up here. Alligator basket, Bayou alligator. All right, so Tim wanted a waterfront view, and so this is what our view looks like. We're inside in the air condition. So evidently over here on the left, there's like an outside bar, and you can bring your boat. Tim and Jace are walking out there. And then over here, this is the restaurant where we just eat. You want to rate your early bird dinner, Tim?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
Yep.
Okay. You would want to go back there?
Yeah, as long as y'all come with me.
Okay. We can do that. So successful dinner, birthday dinner?
Successful lunch.
Oh, okay. So what are you expecting for dinner at 4:36?
I'm not expecting anything at 4:36.
Okay, but later on tonight.
But about 5 o'clock, I'll be ready for dinner.
5 o'clock. How about skillet cookie for dinner?
Alright, you're going to twist my arm.
Okay.
We got any ice cream to go with it?
Stop it. We went to... I asked you at the store.
Yeah, you said I'm going to look.
We'll stop and get ice cream. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Tim. Happy birthday to you. All right, how is it?
Pretty good.
All righty. Glad you like it.
Glad I like it too.